First, go to cloud.venus.ai website on your browser. Log in with your desired credentials. And select the Send AWS Billing to Google Sheet template. There's also a guide available to help you in the whole setup process. Now open AWS Management Console and log in with your root username and password. Now search for the IAM services. Open it. Go to the user. Add a new user. Add the username. And click on Next. Select the attached policies directly and click on Create Policy. Search for the cost and select the Cost Explorer services. Now select the Get Cost and Usage and check it and click on Next. Now add a policy name and click on Create Policy. Now go back to the created user and search for the policy that we have just created and add it and click on Next. And finally click on Create User. Now open the created user, click on it and go to the Security Credentials tab. Go to Create Access Key and select the command line interface and checkmark the policies. Click on Create Access Key and download the .csv file. Now go back to the Cloud Venus website, give a name to your connection and copy and paste the access key and secret access key from the downloaded CSV file. Copy it from the file and paste it. Click on Next. Now select the service account credentials from authentication method and go to the Google Sheets. We will create a new blank sheet for our connection. Copy the sheet ID from the URL and paste it in the spreadsheet ID section. Now go to Google Service account, create a new project, add the project name, and click on Create Service Account. Here you have to put the service account name and then ID will be generated. Click on Create and Continue and click on Done. Now click on the service account we have recently created. Now go to the Keys tab, click on Add Key and click on Create New Key. Select the JSON and click on Create. A JSON file will be downloaded on your device. Now open this JSON file and copy the credentials present in it and paste it in the credential section in the Vanus Cloud site. Now add the sheet name. You can keep it default also. And finally click on submit. Your connection has been successfully generated.